is about celebrating our diverse employees from around the world. This year's theme is the wonders of the world. Let's have fun.
I said, are you ready?
SOTI Day is an event for all of us to connect, learn, and come together as a team to prove the innovation that drives us all.
I love that we get to spend a lot of time with different people from across the organization in these fun activities.
It's good to see everyone come here and compete. This shows their passion.
Today has made me feel a lot more closer to my teammates. We're truly a part of something big.
So, what else makes SOTI wonderful?
Inspiration! Passion! Diversity!
The opportunities, the amazing community.
SOTI Spirit!
The new HQ.
That we're always going up!
It's exciting, it's fun, and it's innovative.
Energy! Teamwork! Happy hour!
Me. SOTI Day? No. SOTI Day. Oh.
Creativity.
The people. Culture, that's what I'm at SOTI. Video magic! After doing things like this, we get to be with everyone and relax and having a good time. Things like this are great.
As you can see, SOTI Spirit is in the air.
SOTI Day is a reflection of the culture we have in our offices. We try to add a little fun in all that we do.